Below is a much more detailed, expanded, medical-style drug monograph for haloperidol, Haldol, similar in depth to professional pharmacology references. Haloperidol, Haldol, extensive drug monograph. Number 1, generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, haloperidol. Drug class, therapeutic class, antipsychotic. Pharmacologic class, butyrophenone derivative. Type, first generation, typical antipsychotic. Primary receptor target, dopamine D2 antagonist, high potency. Brand names, Haldol oral tablet oral solution injection, Haldol decanoate long-acting depot IM injection. Available drug forms, oral tablets 0.5 milligrams, 1 milligrams, 2 milligrams, 5 milligrams, 20 milligrams, oral concentrate solution 2 milligrams per milliliter. Parenteral, short-acting IM, haloperidol lactate 5 milligram, long-acting depot, haloperidol decanoate 50 milligrams per milliliter, 100 milligram. Number 2. Definition, haloperidol is a high-potency typical antipsychotic used for the treatment of schizophrenia, acute agitation, delirium, severe behavioral disorders, Tourette syndrome, and psychomotor agitation. It has strong dopamine-blocking properties and a relatively higher risk of extrapyramidal adverse effects compared to second-generation antipsychotics. Number 3. Mechanism of action, MOA. Haloperidol exerts its effects through A. Dopamine receptor blockade, strong antagonism of D2 receptors in mesolimbic pathway, hallucinations, delusions, nigrostriatal pathway, EPS risk, tuberoinfundibular pathway, prolactin levels. B. Moderate antagonism at IL-1 adrenergic receptors, hypotension, dizziness, minimal anticholinergic activity, weak effects on serotonin receptors, 5-HT2. Pharmacodynamic effects, antipsychotic, sedative, especially IM, anti-aggressive, antiemetic, via chemoreceptor trigger zone blockade. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, absorption, well absorbed from GI tract, IM injection has rapid onset 20 to 60 min, distribution, highly lipophilic, crosses blood-brain barrier, protein binding 90 to 92%. Metabolism, hepatic metabolism via CYP3A4, CP2D6, metabolites mostly inactive. Onset and duration, oral onset 2 to 6 hours, IM onset 20 to 45 minutes, decanoate onset several days, duration 12 to 24 hours orally, extended weeks for decanoate, half-life, oral 14 to 26 hours, IM lactate 20 hours, decanoate approx. 3 weeks. Excretion, urine and feces, only small fraction excreted unchanged. Number 5, uses, therapeutic uses. Haloperidol is used in the treatment of A. Psychiatric uses, schizophrenia, acute and maintenance therapy, acute psychosis, drug-induced, stress-induced, unknown etiology, schizoaffective disorder, bipolar mania, acute agitation or psychosis. B. Neurologic uses, Tourette syndrome, motor vocal tics, Huntington's disease, chorea control. C. Emergency, behavioral uses, severe agitation or aggression, psychomotor agitation, violent or combative behavior, delirium, short-term in certain settings. D. Other uses, severe nausea, vomiting, rare, off-label. Persistent hiccups, resistant cases, off-label. Number 6. Indications. Haloperidol is formally indicated for treatment of schizophrenia and schizoaffective disorder, control of tics and vocal utterances in Tourette syndrome, short-term treatment of severe behavioral problems in children, management of acute psychotic episodes, maintenance therapy with haloperidol decanoate, control of agitation in psychiatric emergencies. Number 7, contraindications. Haloperidol is contraindicated in patients with absolute contraindications, Parkinson's disease, CNS depression, coma, severe intoxication, hypersensitivity to haloperidol, history of QT prolongation or ventricular arrhythmias, severe cardiac disease, previous neuroleptic malignant syndrome. Relative contraindications, severe hepatic impairment, pregnancy, especially first trimester unless necessary, elderly dementia patients, mortality risk. Number 8, before taking this medicine, precautions. General precautions. Tell your doctor if you have or have had heart disease, arrhythmias, or family history of sudden cardiac death, history of seizures or epilepsy, thyroid disorders, liver disease, kidney impairment, depression or suicidal thoughts, electrolyte imbalance, low K+, Mg2+, dehydration, respiratory diseases. Special populations. Pregnancy, Category C, risk-benefit required, breastfeeding, enters milk avoid. Elderly with dementia, increased mortality due to infections and cardiac events. Children use cautiously, monitor for EPS. Number 9, how to use administration instructions. Oral tablets? Solution. Take at the same time each day. Can be taken with or without food. Do not chew tablets. Measure solution using calibrated dropper. I am short-acting, given by healthcare professional, used in emergency agitation or acute psychosis. I am long-acting, decanoate, administered every 4 weeks, must establish oral tolerance first, deep IM into gluteal muscle. Number 10. Dosing information, general reference only. Doses vary by patient. Clinicians must individualize. Adult schizophrenia, oral. Initial 1 to 5 milligrams 2 to 3 times day. Maintenance 5 to 20 milligrams. Severe up to 30 to 40 milligrams per day. Rare situations. Acute agitation, IM 2 to 5 IM every 4 to 8 hours. Max typical daily IM dose 20-30 milligrams. Tourette syndrome 0.55 milligrams day divided doses. Decanoate long-acting 50 to 200 milligrams every 4 weeks. Conversion 10 to 20 prior daily oral dose. Elderly, start 0.25 to 1 milligrams 1-2 times day, very sensitive to EPS and sedation. Pediatric for severe behavioral disorders or tics only, 0.05 to 0.15 milligrams per kilograms per day, divided into 2 to 3 doses. Maximum depends on weight and clinical response. Number 11, misdose and overdose management. Misdose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if close to next dose. Do not double up doses. Overdose symptoms, severe EPS or dystonia, extreme drowsiness, coma, respiratory depression, severe hypotension, ventricular arrhythmias, QT prolongation, seizures. Emergency management required. Airway support, ECG monitoring, IV fluids, treat EPS. Stop or avoid taking if. Stop immediately and contact a doctor if fever, muscle rigidity, confusion, possible NMS, irregular heartbeat, fainting, persistent involuntary movements, tardive dyskinesia, swollen tongue, difficulty breathing, allergy, severe muscle stiffness or tremors, yellowing of skin, eyes, liver injury, severe dizziness or syncope, seizures. Number 13, side effects. Common sedation, restlessness, akathisia, anxiety, constipation, dry mouth, blurred vision, insomnia, weight change. Extrapyramidal symptoms, EPS, high risk, dystonia, muscle spasms, oculogeric crisis, Parkinsonism, tremor, rigidity, bradykinesia, akathisia, motor restlessness, tardive dyskinesia, late onset involuntary movements. Serious Neuroleptic Malignant Syndrome, QT prolongation, torsades de pointes, seizures, severe hypotension, hyperprolactinemia, galactorrhea, gynecomastia, liver dysfunction, blood dyscrasias, rare. Number 14, vital information, critical warnings, high potency antipsychotic, very high EPS risk, can cause life-threatening arrhythmias, QT prolongation. Elderly with dementia, increased mortality, FDA boxed warning. Avoid abrupt discontinuation after long-term use. Long-term use, risk of irreversible tardive dyskinesia. Use cautiously with other QT prolonging drugs. Monitor ECG in high-risk patients. Monitor electrolytes, KMG2+. Other drugs that interact with haloperidol. A. Increase haloperidol levels, toxicity. CY3A4 inhibitors, ketoconazole, clarithromycin. CY2D6 inhibitors, fluoxetine, paroxetine, quinidine, ritonavir, protease inhibitors. B. Decrease haloperidol levels, carbamazepine, phenytoin, rifampin, phenobarbital. C. Increase QT prolongation risk, antiarrhythmics, amiodarone, sotalol, macrolide antibiotics, erythromycin, fluoroquinolones, methadone, other antipsychotics, ziprasidone, quetiapine. D. Increase CNS depression, alcohol, opioids, benzodiazepines, antihistamines, sleep medications. E. Increase extrapyramidal symptoms, metoclopramide, other dopamine blockers. Thank you. Have a nice day.